Hey everyone, today I'm going to share again a very quick tutorial on how to group and ungroup objects in Canva. By objects, it could mean anything like images, text, graphics. Now, if you've used a design tool like Illustrator or Photoshop before, then you know it works very similarly to there as well. So all you have to do is select the objects you need and you click on group, or you press Ctrl+G. If you're on a MacBook, of course, you press Command+G. And if you want to ungroup, you just click ungroup over here. Or again, you press Ctrl+Shift+G. You can do Ctrl+A to select all your objects, and you can also select one by one the objects that you need. Once you group them, they move together. So that's a pretty quick and easy way of grouping objects so that you can position them, you can keep their relative position the same and move them anywhere in the canvas. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.